Hey everybody, welcome to another Common Support video. This one's on combining like terms with negative coefficients and distribution. All right, let's go. So I'm just going to do a little copying and pasting here. So I'm going to grab the expression, and then I'm going to paste it in here. All right, so let's paste it into our Cami. All right, so the first thing you're going to do on these problems is you're going to want to make sure that you distribute. And distribute just means to multiply through the parentheses by the outside factor. The key to doing this correctly is making sure you multiply by the -5 and not just by 5. Okay, so if whatever that sign is on the thing that's multiplying the parentheses, you have to include it. So if it's +5, it's +5 times everything inside. If it's a -5 or take away 5 or -5, like it is here, it means the opposite of 5 groups of all this stuff. So you have to multiply through by the negative, okay? And as long as you do that, you will get the right answer. So let's do it. So -5 times, let's do this a little thicker, -5 times -5. Negative times a negative is a positive. 5 times 5 is 25. So this is going to be positive 25k. And then -5 times +3. Negative times a positive is a negative. And so 5 times 3 is 15. This means -15. Okay. So ultimately what you have here is 8k plus positive 25k minus positive 15, right? So 8k plus 25k minus 15. The next thing you're going to do is you want to combine your like terms. So you can only put together things that have the same variable to the same degree. So k's with k's and constants are something different. Okay? So you're going to combine these two like terms, 8k plus 25k. And when you do that, you're going to get how many k? Well, 33k. So you just add the coefficients to combine like terms. Okay? And then you're going to subtract the 15. You can't combine these or do anything with this because they're not the same thing, right? These are 33k's. These are 15 units. It's 33k's, take away 15 units. And that's the answer. So 33k, take away 15. All right, so the next one. All right, once again, let's do a quick little refresh here. I'm going to grab the image right there, paste it in. See if we can grab the copy there. Good. Then we click on here, paste it in. If it works the way it's supposed to, there we go. All right, so here we got our next one. Let's erase those extra marks. All right, perfect. Okay, so once again, we're going to distribute through the parentheses. You want to make sure you distribute the -6, not just the 6, but the -6, include the sign in front. And you're going to multiply through the parentheses by the outside factor of -6. So you get -6 times k, negative k, and -6 times +4. -6 times a negative k is a positive 6k. So this will be 19 plus 6k. And then -6 times a +4 is a negative because the negative times a positive is always a negative. And 6 times 4 is 24. So you're looking at positive 19k, positive 6k, and then -24. You're going to combine your like terms. Like terms are things that have the same variable to the same degree, or terms that have the same variable to the same degree. Constants can be combined with constants, and k's can be combined with k's, but they can't be combined together. So you get 19 plus -24, which is the same as -5, my bad. And then you've got your 6k that comes along for the ride. So it's really 6k minus 6. You generally put the variable term in front. So 6k minus, sorry, I did that again. 6k minus 5, you generally put the variable term in the front. So 6k minus 5 is correct. Let's see if we can turn that in. There we go. Okay, and the next one, it's got a longer expression here that we're working with. So let's first make the effort to grab it. A little copy paste action here. Hopefully you guys are able to do that for yourselves. Okay, I'm going to just minimize this and then paste it into the screen here. There we go. All right, so once we have our expression, we're going to distribute. So what are we multiplying through the parentheses? This is 8 groups of 10 minus 6q. This is plus 3 groups of -7q minus 2. So you're just going to make sure you multiply through by the sign that's with the multiplier. So this is positive 8 times everything inside. And this is going to be positive 3 times everything inside. When you do that, you get 8 times 10, which is 80. And 8 times -6q, which is -48q. You get 3 times negative 7q, which is going to be take away 21q. And you get 3 times negative 2, which is going to be negative 6. Once you have that, you can combine like terms. So you can put together all your q's and all your constants. This is negative 48q plus negative 21q. That's going to be negative 69q. Then you have 80 take away 6. 80 take away 6 is 74, so I would say plus 74. So this is the answer you guys should have, negative 69q plus 74. And that is right there. Good job. All right, and the next one, it's another two-step kind of thing going on. Let's grab it. All right, I'm going to copy that and paste it in. There we go. All right, so let's once again realize what we're multiplying through by. Negative 5 times the quantity of 1 minus 5k, and then negative 4 times the quantity of 2k plus 5. And let's multiply through the parentheses. Negative 5 times positive 1 is going to be negative 5. Negative 5 times the negative 5k is a positive 25k. And then negative, 4 times 2k is going to be just a negative 4 times 2k. It's going to be negative 8k. And negative 4 times positive 5, which is going to be negative 20. When you're getting all this to one side, all this combined using combined like terms, you want to put together your k's through k's and your numbers through your numbers. So we've got 25k plus negative 8k. How many k does it leave us with? It leaves us with positive 17k's. And then you got negative 5 units and 20 negative units added to it. So it'll be negative 5 plus negative 20, which is going to be negative 30, or I should say negative 25k. And that's going to be in units. All right. So you get 17k minus 25k, 17k minus 25k right there. Just don't forget that when you distribute, you got to multiply through by the sign that's with it. Okay, and once you've done distributing, you combine like terms, only put together things that have the same variable to the same degree, same variable to the same exponent. That's how you do it.